Hi, today we'll be looking at the problem 1920A in codeforces website. So the problem goes something like this. We are given n constraints in each test case, right? We'll have to output the number of possible values you can find, possible integer values that you can find, which will satisfy the given constraints. Right? So the constraints are of three types. One is that k must be greater than or equal to x. Second one is k must be less than or equal to x. Third is k must be not equal to x. Okay, it is given that the answer is finite and also that no two constraints are exactly the same. Okay, so in each test case will be the first line of the input will be the number of test cases that will follow. Second, the first line of each test case will be the number of constraints that will follow, and each constraint will have two numbers. The first one will be the type of the test constraint. Second will be the number x. Right here, this line says that k must be greater than or equal to 3. Similarly, this says that k must be less than or equal to 10, and this says k must be not equal to 1, and this says k must be not equal to 5. Right? Just going to the same example here. So here we are saying k is greater than or equal to 3. I have just written down the proper notation for the same. Here we are saying k must be less than or equal to 10, and here we are saying k is not equal to 1, and here we are saying k is not equal to 5. Right? So the possible set of values from these two inequalities is this set, right, with the values from 3 to 10. Similarly, the possible set of values which k will not belong to is this set, right, 1 and 5. Right? So to find out all the values which satisfy these two conditions, we'll have to just subtract this set from this set. Right? So after that we are remaining with this set which has exactly 7 possible values. Right? So our answer will be 7 in this case. Right? Okay. Similarly, for this input we have 10 constraints, so out of which let us try to see what will be the possible values of k. So let us just write down all the greater than equal to constraints in one line, less than equal to constraints in one line, and non-equality constraints in one line. Right? So here we are saying k must be greater than equal to 6. Sorry, k should not be equal to 6. So we write it down here. Here we are saying k should not be equal to 7. Here we are saying k should be greater than equal to 2. Here we are saying k should be greater than equal to 7. Here we are saying k should not be equal to 100. We are saying k is not equal to 44. We are saying k should be less than equal to 100. We are saying k should be less than equal to 98. We are saying k is greater than equal to 3. And then we are saying k should not be equal to 99. So breaking this down, right? And this will imply k should be greater than equal to 2, and k should be greater than equal to 7, and k should be greater than equal to 3. Right? So we should, if we have inequalities like this, we will be picking the maximum of them. Right? So k being greater than equal to 7 will satisfy all the three inequalities. Similarly, for the less than equal to condition, we should be taking the minimum value. Right? So if we have k less than equal to 100 and k less than equal to 98, then k less than equal to 98 will satisfy both the inequalities. Right? So that is how we are taking k greater than equal to 7 and k less than equal to 98. So essentially, from out of all the greater than equal to conditions, we will be picking the maximum one, and from all the less than equal to conditions, we will be picking the minimum one. Right? Which will satisfy all the other inequalities as well. Right? So we got the range of k from these two inequalities. So k will range from 7 till 98. So the total number of elements between 98 and 7 will be something like this, right? Max minus min plus 1, right? So 98 minus 7 plus 1 will be 92, right? So all the possible values of k from the two inequalities will be 92, out of which we have to subtract the values from the third inequality, right? The not equal to constraint. So from the above statement, k will not be belonging to any of these numbers, right? 6, 700, 44 and 99. So just remembering one more thing here. So we said in the above case, we said k will belong to the set of numbers from 7 to 98. So 6 will anyway not come in that set, right? 6 is anyway shorter than that, so there is no need to remove that if you think about it, right? Similarly, max value of k possible here is 98, so 100 will anyway not come inside that, right? Similarly, 44 lies between 7 and 98, so it comes in the set. And 99 is anyway greater than 98, so you can just remove that. So the eligible values from D will be only 2, right? So when we try to subtract the possible values of B from A, when we do this, we'll have 92 elements here, only 2 eligible values from here, so 92 minus 2 will be 90, right? So this will be our approach to solving the question. So let us just try to go over the solution in Python, right? So this is some boilerplate. We are initializing max and minimum number values, and I am keeping a list of negation values. So for each test case, I will be checking if the constraint type is 1, then I will keep the max of the current minimum or the incoming value. Similarly, if the constraint type is 2, we will be keeping the min of the current value or the incoming value. Similarly, if it is a negation constraint, we will just be appending that to the negation list, right? If let us just say we come to a corner case where we are saying we are having the maximum number to be less than the minimum number, then there is no possible solution for that, right? So we just output 0. Otherwise, we check the total possible values from just the greater than equal to and less than equal to conditions, and then remove the eligible negation list elements, right? After that, whatever we are left with, that will be the total possible value, right? So that is the approach. Let's just run this for the given input 709000, right? 8 million, right? So we get the same solution. Let us just try to submit. Okay. Question code is 190A. And let me just try to submit it here only. Accepted, right? Okay, so that is our solution to the problem. So I hope you liked the video. So as always, please try to come up with the solution by your own. If you're really stuck, then only take some help from online resources, right? So thank you for watching.